Chefs. I'm your host today, Maddie Dix, and with me we have special guest judge, Noah Wall.
That's me, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's meet the contestants today. Chef 1, please introduce yourself.
I'm Cindy Barber. I'm from Kentucky, and I'm just thankful to be here for today. I know I may be the underdog, but I'm gonna pull through.
Let's meet our second contestant today. Chef 2, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Karen Smith. I was a meth cooker and I've decided to turn my love of chemistry into cooking. Thank you.
And now let's meet our last contestant of the day, folks. Chef number 3, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sally Joe. I'm from New Jersey. I just got out of federal prison and I'm here to crush the competition.
For today's first round of competition, each contestant will be giving a starting material and a final material. Through that, they will find both reagents and the intermediate step. On my count of 3, the contestants will begin. While the contestants are hard at work, let's check in with guest judge Noah Wall. Noah, so what do you look for in a good synthesis?
Well, you see, synthesis is the process of making a compound with a starting material that you do have.
I see. So what do you think will be the hardest challenge for the contestants today?
Well, the hardest part is going to be using the fewest steps possible and also the cheapest material.
I couldn't agree more. Let's go back to see how the contestants are doing. Contestant, explain your answer.
Well, as you can see here, I use NADH4NaOH, which turns my carbonyl into alcohol. Love my alcohols. And then I used NaH to take the H off, which made it negative, so the Br could make the PHCH attached right there.
Great work. Let's check with the next contestant. Contestant, please explain what you did.
Well, as you can see, my ETMGBr broke my carbonyl functional group into one single bond instead of two. And then my workup added on the hydrogen, and my swern added the double bond back in.
Great work, contestant. Final contestant, please explain what you did.
Okay, so I used swern to change the alcohol to carbonyl, and then I used Grignard reagents to split the double bond into an alcohol and a methyl group to win.
Great work.
Welcome to America's next top organic chefs. Here are our contestants. Sally Joe, please step forward. Congratulations, you will be advancing to our next round.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, that leaves 2 contestants remaining. Karen Smith, please approach the podium. Congratulations, you're tonight's biggest loser. You're gonna be going home. Respectfully, kick rocks.
Guess I never should have stopped cooking meth.
Our final round today, both contestants will be given the same final product. And with that final product, they will have to start from 1 to 2 carbons in the most efficient way possible to get there. Final 2 contestants are hard at work. Let's check back in with guest judge Noah Wall. Noah, why do we do synthesis in the first place? Doesn't it feel like a lot of wasted time?
Well, not at all. I mean, that's how we make new chemicals, and it's a great way to test if our reactions actually work.
So would you say that synthesis is a lot of guess and check? It leaves a lot of room for new techniques to be found to get to desired products.
Sure, but as we create those new techniques, that lowers the cost and gives us new ways to make all sorts of things.
Wow, how totally cool and not boring of you to say.
Thanks, man.
Let's go check back in with the contestants. Please, explain your synthesis.
Well, I use SN2 and H2 Linlar to build my carbons, MCPBA to add the epoxide, and MeMGBr and workup to break the epoxide.
Thank you, contestant. Let's go check in with contestant 2. Please, explain your synthesis.
First I did retrosynthesis to get to this intermediate. Then I used SN2. Then I used H2 Linlar. And then I used oxymercuriation. And my final product was racemic.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the final round. Please take a look at the board here. You know, this left a very hard decision for the judges here until we looked at the products. And Cindy Barber here, well, she didn't get what we asked for. So this was a very easy decision overall. If you look here, she has an extra methyl, a whole extra carbon that frankly we just didn't ask for. So unfortunately, our winner today is Sally Joe.
Yeah!
let's get down to business to do synthesis. Did they send me students when I asked for chemists? You're the saddest lot I've ever met, and you can bet before we're through, classmates, I'll make a compound for you. Take a bunch of carbons and attach them with Grignard. Once you find your stereocenter, your wedges will be true. Take an alkyne epoxide in Grignard and perform SN2. Somehow I'll make a compound for you. I'm never gonna catch my breath, say goodbye to those who knew me. Boy, was I a fool for sleeping through Pelkey's class. Slate's got him scared to death, hope he doesn't see right through me. Now I really wish that I resubmitted all my labs. Chemist, you have to remember a ton of reactions with all the right stereochem. Chemist with all the strength of a triple bond, mysterious as my unknown NMR.